Hey everybody, Coach PZ here, and they've asked me to do a quick review of the Meiji Silverado fat tire e-bike Trike, and so I'm going to give you my opinion of it. So this is the bike. Very first thing I noticed when I was getting it was the fact that it's got that beautiful Bafang 750 watt motor in front of it, so it gives you lots of power. It's got 960 watts peak. Second thing that brought my attention was this incredible basket on the front and rear. Those baskets really make a difference, and this bonus of having this insulated bag in the back, man, I can make a run up to the supermarket, grab a gallon of milk, some eggs, other things, put it in there. It stays insulated. It'll keep it cool. Great fender system. You can see the back of the bike here. One of the cool things that Meiji has done with this bike that I really like is they've taken the battery and incorporated it into the frame. So it gives you so much more room. And look at that incredible step through. I'm an old guy, and it's hard for me to get on a bike. I'm tired of doing the John Wayne thing. So for me to be able to step on and get on the bike this way, have that low clearance, top of the industry. Great shock absorbers. Hydraulic brake system in front and back. Calipers. The best display in the business. I love this key display. You can see it in all kinds of light. It's clear, it's concise. You can go through and see the different aspects, different tagging through the information button. It's got 9 levels of pedal assist on this one. You can have it set up for 5. Some of the other things, I love this seat. It's so comfortable. I have a lot of problems with my lower back, and just having that little bit of backrest makes a huge difference for me. So they publicized the range of this thing at 35 miles per hour, 35 miles of range. And I'll tell you, from my experience, if you ride in a consistent manner, you can get 35 miles easy. I live on Anna Maria Island, and I ride into Bradenton and back, and I can do over 40 miles in a single charge. Top speed of 25 miles an hour, and I'll tell you what, 25 miles an hour on a Trike is fast. It really moves. 7-speed Shimano on the shifting system back here. It's got a weight capacity of 350 pounds, which means it'll hold me. I'm 6 feet, 230 pounds, and I can carry my gear and stuff. So when I'm going to soccer practice and everything, I can take the cooler out, put it in there, and it works out great for me from that standpoint. Brakes and turn signals on the back. So when I turn the lights on, I have both. I have lights, I have brakes, and I have left turn and right turn signals. Makes a huge difference for me, especially when I'm riding out in traffic. One of the coolest things is just having this ability to have a reverse and forward, so I can go either way. If I want to go backwards with it, I've got that, or put it in forward and I can go forward with it. So those are the things that impress me. The adjustable suspension is also a bonus. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I love the braking system on it. I feel really comfortable. I think this is a great bike, and I think it's one of the best Trikes out there. So this is Coach PZ telling you about the new Meiji Trike. Get to your nearest dealer and try one out. You won't regret it. You take it from me, Coach PZ.